French Quarter, first time staying here. This is building 5. Looks like we have like a garden view. We are right next to the Saskagula River. Seen the boats going by, and we're actually, I can't see it through here, really close to the pool on the other side of the building over there. And the main building is just on the other side of that. So we're really close to the center. Anyways, let's look at the room. Mickey towels, Mardi Gras beads, nice table and chair. They do have the elevated beds, so you can put your luggage under there. Gives you a lot more space. Drawers, mini fridge, coffee maker, and then we have a nice bench. Put stuff on it, put stuff under it. Then you got your coat hooks, hidden Mickeys. Looks like a New Orleans painting. Pretty cool. Really, really, really like the theming. Also have our bathroom. No wall safe. Extra pillow blanket, ironing board. Pretty standard. Looks nice. I really like the mirror. Like the light around it. Yeah, look at this shower. Pretty cool. Nice bathtub. Nice tile shower head. H2O is still in stock. That was a quick room tour. We are definitely going to explore more of the ground. Take a look at the pool, probably go on a boat ride to the Disney Springs, talk about that. Let's see, probably do the food court. Actually has awesome food. We've eaten here several times. Get the beignets, they are fantastic. All the food here is just, it's been really good. The lobby is really cool, so yeah, we'll definitely do some more exploring. Probably show some other buildings, the pool. Some of these courtyard areas. So hope you enjoyed the quick room tour. Here's Jackson Square Gifts and Desires, the gift shop. It's the main entrance to the lobby. And here's the Saskagula Floatworks Food Factory. They have pretty good food. And this place has beignets. We've already got some. Maybe we will get some more. They are awesome. The crossroads all have signs, street names. Pretty cool. And we are on the carriage path, and we have seen a bunch of carriages. It's a boat dock. It'll take you to Disney Springs, Port Orleans, Riverside. And we're right next to the pool. Are they good?
Yeah. Really good. Really, really good.